actually heading off to Cars and Coffee in the Skyline. As you can tell, I did steam clean it last night. Just actually did this one. It's come up better. It was a bit dirty when I first got the car. Still a bit wet, but I don't have any passengers, and we're still wet in the back there. But yeah, I'm just going to go give the car a quick wash, put a chamois in the back, or dry it off, and then we'll head over to South Morang. It's a bit of a drive. It's pretty much where I went yesterday, being Friday, when nothing went right. Yeah. Alright guys, just did a really quick wash. I'm not really going to dry it, just wiped off the windows a little bit. But I'm going to be winding them down anyways. Might go get myself a monster and then we'll start heading over to South Morang. Alright, got some monsters. Let's get going. way home from Cars and Coffee. Petrol went up between going there and coming back. Found a cheap one on the way home, which is awesome. It's about 30 cents cheaper than everywhere else. It's nearly out of petrol. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I will catch you next episode. I had to find my way home. Don't hit me. I love it when cars nearly hit you that have so many dents and damage on them. Like, you don't really give a shit, do you? Alright. So, still on my way home. I'm about 3 minutes from home. Stop at the ATM to get some money out. Car won't start. I think it's the starter, not the immobiliser. I've gone through the immobiliser to get the key registered, and I don't know, man. I don't know. See you next time.